Can ChatGPT break down images and graphs? Well, let's have a look. I've just got this random image I found of a very rough graph. We're just going to copy that image, take it over to chat, paste it in, and say, can you please break down this image for me? Give it a second. So this is all about the peak population when they believe the population is going to start declining in certain countries. Shows the years when the population of selected countries are projected to peak, then start declining. So here you can see it has done a great job of breaking that one down. Now let's try a different type of. Okay, here I've just got another pie chart about browser market share. Let's feed that in. Actually, I won't need to give it another command due to the fact that it will remember what we're doing. Two pie charts that summarize data on two topics: JavaScript frameworks and browser market share. So you can see it's done what obviously a pie chart is quite simple to understand, but you can get quite technical charts and graphs, and knowing that ChatGPT can go in there and break it all down for you is fantastic. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much.